Let's clear up one of the most ECG misunderstandings, the PQ segment. Why is the PQ segment flat, even though the atria are fully depolarized and the ventricles are not? Shouldn't there be a voltage difference here? The short answer is the ECG does not detect static electrical states. It only detects a moving wave, a moving dipole. Let's make that intuitive. For those who want deeper background, I've covered ECG fundamentals in earlier videos. You'll find the links below. So now let's move on to electric fields and dipoles, the basic physics. We start right here. When a region of myocardium depolarizes, it becomes negatively charged compared to the resting region next to it, here. This separation of charge creates an electric dipole, and that dipole generates an electric field in the surrounding body fluids. Dipole and electric field. As the depolarization wavefront moves, the dipole moves with it. A moving dipole means a changing electric field, and that is what the ECG detects. The idea is moving dipole means changing electric field, means ECG deflection. No movement, no deflection. Here we see a depolarization wavefront spreading across the heart, as we discussed in detailed ECG videos. Next, what the ECG actually measures. The ECG electrodes measure the difference in electric field between 2 points on the body surface. This difference only exists when a depolarization or repolarization wavefront is advancing through the myocardium. The ECG does not just see the heart. It uses filters to ignore everything else. Here is how it stays accurate, strongly simplified. Differential amplification. The ECG machine subtracts the signal of one electrode from another. If a charge is static, hitting both electrodes equally, it is cancelled out. Only moving differences are recorded. Next, the high-pass filter. This blocks DC static voltage like the natural battery of your skin, and slow drift from breathing. It only passes fast-changing electrical signals. Next, the notch filter. This specifically cuts out the hum 50-60 Hz from wall outlets and lights. The key point here, the ECG is a motion detector, not a voltmeter. It filters out static charge so it can focus entirely on the rapid flux of the heartbeat. If the tissue is electrically uniform, even if it is uniformly depolarized, the electric field becomes stable and the ECG returns to the isoelectric line. Next, apply this to the atria. Here we see the atrial depolarization, the P wave. During the P wave, the atrial depolarization front is moving. A clear dipole exists, so the ECG rises here, the P wave. But once the atria are fully depolarized, all atria cells are in the same electrical state. There is no longer a charge separation within the atria, and therefore no dipole. The ventricles are still resting, but they are resting uniformly, so They also do not create a dipole. With no moving dipole anywhere in the myocardium, the electric field at the body surface becomes stable. This produces the isoelectric PQ segment here. So the AV node, why its activity is invisible. During the PQ segment, the impulse is slowly passing through the AV node and the His bundle here. So, this region is very small, slow conducting, and produces a weak electric field. Its dipole is too small to be detected by surface electrodes. So, even though conduction continues, internally, the ECG shows electrical silence, the PQ segment. Finally, to summarize, think of a stadium wave. When people are standing up and sitting down in sequence, the wave front is moving. That's like a moving dipole. And the ECG shows a deflection. When everyone in a section is already standing, nothing is moving, even though they are still up. That's like uniformly depolarized atria. A deflection on the ECG appears only when a wave of depolarization or repolarization creates a moving dipole that alters the electric field at the body surface. During the PQ segment, the atria are uniformly depolarized. The ventricles are uniformly polarized. AV nodal currents are too small to detect, and the ECG's own filters suppress static and non-cardiac signals. With no moving dipole, the electric field is stable, and the ECG records an isoelectric line. The PQ segment is flat because the ECG detects movement of charge, not the presence of charge. I hope this was helpful.